And now I just arrived from Canadian Tire. I purchased this Delong. I don't know how to pronounce it. Delonghi. How you pronounce this? Delonghi. Delonghi. Na Didika. I purchased it online last Friday and I picked it up in Canadian Tire. So yan siya. 15 bar espresso and cappuccino maker. Yan yung cups niya, but it's not included. Ultra slim, automatic flow stop. Ultra slim design, thermo black. Yay! I'm happy kasi naka-sale kasi siya. From 370 something, naging 350, 250 na lang. Meron siyang kasaling scoop and thumb. Brew and brew. Enjoy! Okay, let's open this. I'm excited to use it. Yeah, it's okay, baby girl. Oh, I don't have my thing. I need it. Where did I put it? So, meron siya dito. Delonghi na. Ano ata to eh. Kung mga guide kung paano mo i-prepare at paano mo gamitin yung coffee machine mo. Can you help me here? If you're not busy anymore. This one. Open it. Or lift it up. With your both hand over here. No, put your hand here on the side. Oh, careful. There. Please. Yay. Nanasang coffee maker. Oh, I've been waiting for this as in its sale. Look at that. Look at that. Look at that. Can you remove this thing? This thing. Remove this. Get it. Oh, fix up something here. Leave it there. So, meron siyang kasamang mga ganito. So, meron siyang ganito. I don't know what is that for. But let's figure it out. Ito pang press ng kape at scooper. At dito mo ilalagay yung kape. Yeah. Oh, ito yun. Dito may lagay yung kape at ipifresh siya ng ganyan. And this one maybe, I don't know. Oh, ang ganda. Look at those. Up. Ayun. So, what? Dito malagay yung tubig. Takot naman ako dun. Oh my God, it's so beautiful. Look at that.
What's this?
So yan. Ano ba to dito? No, don't touch siya. Kaya mabuak, be. Don't break it, please. So dito yung ano niya. Fruiter. Ito yung fruiter niya. Not fruiter. Tapos, ito dito may attach. Tapos, mag-brew ka na ng coffee. Yeah, for Mama's coffee. And Kuya Phil's coffee.
Coffee in there.
Yeah. Oh my gosh, this is very cute. I love it. Tama na yung ano niya. Lucky. Oh gosh. Give me big.
Oh.
I will see how I'm gonna put this thing. You love it? But that's for Mama's. That's not for you. Oh, wow. I'm excited. Okay. What is this thing here? Ganyan lang. You cannot open this one. It's like that. Okay. You put water here for the coffee. Ayan. Ang ganda.
Coffee.
Very nice. Oh, I love the color. It's my favorite color. Yeah, gray, silver.
Red, silver.
Yeah, that's my favorite color. Yeah, you put the water in there. But we're not gonna use this, baby. We're gonna use this in our new
I
place.
think it's new place. Go.
Yeah. let's open it. This one. What is this for?
Oh,
What is this for?
put the door on there.
Decal sipanifer machine for coffee. I don't understand what it says. So I don't know what it's
Okay,
for.
we're done.
So we're done with this.
I think
I bought also the Paderno Classic 11-piece stainless steel cookware set. So let's open this. Ano siya? Included niya. Ano bang included? This is a Canadian brand. Ano, meron siya 1.4 quart, 2 quart, 3 quart, 5 quart na pot, and then 2 quart na frying pan. Pwede siya electric, gas, ceramic, halogen, and induction. 18 by 10 premium grade stainless steel is non-reactive to food. Nice. Aluminum core provide even heat distribution and retention. Corrosion resistant stainless steel cup is suitable for all cooktops, including induction. Yeah. Okay. Time to open it. Oh, wow. Nice. Cook for life. Paderno. Cook for life. Cookware belt to fuel your passion for cooking. Ayun. Oh my gosh. It's the EST 1971. From our beginning, Prince Edward Island, we have provided our customers with some of the finest cookware found anywhere in the world. We take the time and care that's needed to make sure every product we offer delivers outstanding durability and performance to fuel your passion for cooking. Nice! Let's see. So, first, meron siyang ditong product number. French naman yan eh. Saan ba yung English dito? Ayan. Using your cookware. Maybe a care card or whatever. Let's see. Let's take it up first. Oh, my cute siya na steamer. Wow. And then, oh, that's so cute. Oh, meron siyang nakalagay dyan kung 1 liter or 1.5. Ano ang back nito? So, this is the 1.4 quart. Yung pinakamaliit na pot. So, ito yung pangalawa niya na 2 quart. Ang liliit pala. Kala ko malalaki. Let's see. Ayan. Tama lang naman pala. Ayan. Ang ganda ng style din niya. I love it. So yan yung pangalawa. And the cover. So this is the cover. Ayan. Oh, perfect. It's perfect. Where's the small cover? And this is for the small cover. No, Ezekiel, no.
Can we count?
And then, next one. So, yan yung mga covers. So, this is the next one. Ganda naman ang pot na to. I love the style. Although this one is like, the edge of this one is medyo matulis. Pero, maganda yung style niya. And then, ito yung pinaka malaki-laki. Yeah, tama lang pag nagluluto ako ng sabaw. Sabaw. Yan siya. Wow, ganda. So, yan yung 5 quart. So, ito yung cover niya. Tama lang yung laki niya. Yeah. Ayun. And then last one, yung frying pan. Ano lang siya. Kaya naman pala, 2 quart lang yung frying pan. Ano lang ba maluluto ko nito? I need a bigger pan. Frying pan. Ang liliit pala nila. Pero itong gusto ko yung malaki. So, yan siya. At ito yung cover niya. At least, may cover din yung frying pan. Nice. So cute. So cute. Why you're so cute? Pwede ito pang steak. Let me see that. Let's take off this cover. Let me see this thing here. Oh. Ayun. Oh. Stainless din yung hawakan niya. Ayan. Nakasulat Paderno. Nice. Oh, madali lang siyang i-ano kasi malaki yung ano niya, hawakan niya. Ganda naman ito. Hindi ko muna ito gamitin. Tsaka na pag nakalipat na kami this August 1st sa aming bagong place. Naririntahan. Ayan. So, ano siya? 1, 2, 3, 4, 5, 6. 6 pieces. Ito siya dyan. Dito. Dito siya sa maliit. Ang liit naman ito. Pero that's okay kasi may malaki naman akong stainless steel din na pot at saka malaking may kasama na siyang steamer din. So that's okay. So pang maliit na lutuan ito. Oh my gosh, it's so nice. Ayun. I'm happy. Nakabili na din sa wakas. Kasi ayoko nang gumamit ng mga non-stick kasi hindi siya healthy. Kasi yung binili namin before, mga non-stick. So, mag-switch na tayo sa stainless steel at saka sa cast iron. Ayan, ang gaganda nila. Ang cute. Napakakintab. So, that's all. That's all for our unboxing. Haul and unboxing.